Hi everyone, Ray here. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me, you might remember my previous videos about GoTrade. So madaming nagtatanong, nanghihingi ng update, kaya here it is. For those who are new here, in my last video, I introduced GoTrade as a simple and user-friendly app for investing in global stocks. I also talked about how the app works, its fees, and why I think it's a great platform for beginners. If you haven't seen the videos yet, check it out here. I'm gonna place the links on the description box too, so you can check it out. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, how my portfolio performed since my last update. So here it is, my GoTrade account today. The last time I shared my portfolio, it was valued at $867. Now, naging $968 na siya. That's an increase of 12% in just 11 months. I'm happy with the progress. This is purely passive income. Wala akong ginawa dito. All I did was to invest in stocks and I did not deposit any money since then. But remember though, these are not guaranteed. It doesn't mean na next year, ito din yung makukuha kong gains, posibleng mas mataas, posible ding mas mababa. Now, let's review what we've done last time. So last time, bumili ako ng stocks from Alibaba. I-compare natin yung equity nung stock natin na yun versus now. So last time, it was $8.45. Now, as you can see, it's already $16.86. But yung $8.45, yun yung amount before bumili tayo ng additional stocks worth $6.07 kay Alibaba. So in total, parang $14.52 yung equity natin nun. And now, $16.86 na siya. So that's around $2 na gain. Maliit lang kasi itong ininvest ko kay Alibaba, kaya expect that maliit lang din yung makukuha ko. Like I've mentioned before on my older videos, recommended na kumuha ng stocks na may dividends. Extra earnings kasi ito na binibigay ng stock. In order to view your dividends, punta kayo dito sa last icon, then go to Reports, Financial Transactions, then you'll see here yung mga dividends na na-earn nyo. Aside from that, you may also view them through email. Dahil every time na mag-release yung stock nyo ng dividend, manonotify din kayo sa email. Currently, yung mga dividends ko is nakaset na dumiretso sa account ko. That's why you will see na meron ako ditong $2.80. So, ito yung na-earn ko since Feb 2024, last year, or 11 months ago, through dividends. Ngayon, gusto ko na yung dividends na kikitain ko is ma-reinvest. So, it will have potential to grow further. Hindi siya matetenga sa account ko. In order to set it to automatically reinvest, punta kayo dito, then click Dividend Reinvestment. Let's select all the stocks. These are all the stocks that I own na nagbibigay ng dividends. Ayan, so the next time, para imbis na sa account ko siya dediretso, mari-reinvest na itong ma-earn kong dividends. Okay, so I plan to deposit another 20K para makabili ako ng additional stocks. So let's deposit using BPI. For a more detailed process kung paano mag-deposit, check out the video on the link below. Ayan, so nag-reflect agad on my account. As you can see here, na-deduct na yung 20K on my BPI account, then the fee na 12 pesos. To know more on how I pick my stocks, kung ano yung mga bibilin ko, check out these videos. So, ang bibilin ko ngayon is yung Apple stock. Worth $100 at my fee na $0.25. So, $99.75 ang actual na nabili ko. As of right now, pending pa yung order, balikan natin tomorrow.
So, pansinin nyo na ang equity ni Apple ngayon na nag-pending buy tayo is $197.39. Okay, so check ulit natin yung GoTrade account natin after a day. You'll see here that yung equity natin ngayon kay Apple, since successful na yung buy order natin, $295.37 na yung equity natin. Now, let's try to buy another stock. Ang remaining cash ko is $240.94. And I'd like to buy Meta stocks or Facebook. So, bilhin natin yan. $240.94. So, there you go again after a day of waiting. Pumasok na yung kakabiling Meta stocks. 528.74 na yung equity and 0 na yung laman ng account. So, abangan natin yan after ilang months kung tumaas tong stocks natin or not.
One thing I love about GoTrade is how intuitive it is. They have features that make it better and easier for us to invest, kahit beginner pa lang. Example, yung fractional shares. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking budget to start. You can invest with as low as $1 only. Performance insights. The app provides great visuals and performance insights that make it easier for us to track our performance and investments. Learning resources. Gusto ko din dito that there are in-app articles or tips that are perfect for anyone to refer to, especially pag first time mo pa lang or nag-aaral ka pa lang to invest. Here are 3 quick investment tips for beginners. Number 1 is start small. You don't need 1,000 pesos or dollars to start investing. Begin with what you can afford and what you can afford to lose, because investing in, for example, stocks have risks. So there are possibilities that you lose some and you earn some. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your different investments across different stocks or sectors. Keep learning. Read books, watch videos, and explore tools to improve your financial knowledge. Investing is a skill you develop over time. Patience lang kailangan. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Nag-i-invest din ba kayo sa GoTrade? Or are you thinking about starting? Comment down below and share your thoughts. And if meron kayong questions, go ahead. I'd also love to know what your strategies are and kung anong ginagawa nyo to grow your portfolio. Thank you for joining me. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you and happy investing.